Now, family, this could be Oprah all day. O-P, all you missing is the R-A-H. I have to do this video again because some hater, I don't know how they be doing that shit. No fiend smoking, broke back mountain ass bitch. Fucked up my goddamn video. See, they got these motherfuckers on payroll and everything. All you got to do is get their ass a cigarette and a drink and they'll fuck your shit up. So get on new support of MARY-L33, MARY-L33. Today is September 24, 2019. Now, they want Oprah to have my legacy. Like I said, I gave Oprah my story, my child abuse story in 1984, 1995, and 2007 when I posted my first ever YouTube video, Mary Mac versus the Fat Black Oprah Winfrey, November the 7th of 2007. So yeah. So all they do is leave a number out or a letter or whatever and stuff. You know what I'm saying? I'm the one made her billions of dollars and shit. But they want to sacrifice me. I'm supposed to be her sacrificial lamb, I guess. The devil is a lie. See, as soon as I was getting close to the truth, a fucking crackhead popped up, fucked up my video and shit. You understand what I'm saying? Because the truth hurts. And I got up early to avoid a crackhead ass. But they pay these bitches to hate. They really do. You understand what I'm saying? So, yeah. Nothing happens in this world by mistake. So, like Tupac said, everywhere I go, trouble follows me. Real motherfucking true. Let's see what they say about this shit. Hope you don't mind. There go Jordan. Barack Obama. Martin Luther King. Let's see if Oprah's in here. Do y'all have a picture of Oprah in here? I don't see Oprah up in this motherfucker. You understand what I'm saying? Where's she at? You know, all the work she and I put in this city